Hi, it's Jen, and today we're going to be talking about multisyllabic words. So those are words that have more than one syllable, and when we say them, it's really important that we say each syllable in the word. So words that have just one syllable are words like chair or zoo, and you can put syllables together to make multisyllabic words. So the words we're going to be talking about today will have either 2 syllables, 3 syllables, or 4 syllables. I'm going to do 4 of these words with you, and then once you know the format, you're going to pause the video and see if you can do the rest of these with somebody in your house. So what we're going to do is tap out the syllables in the word, then use the word in a sentence and try writing the word out and seeing if we can put the correct syllables together in each set of syllables for the word. All right, so let's go ahead and start with invisible. So I'm going to tap it out on my chin and go invisible. I think it has 4 syllables, and I can double check that over here. Invisible does have 4 syllables, so I'm going to use it in a sentence and say, it would be a cool superpower to be able to go invisible sometimes. All right, and now if we're going to write it out, we would go like this. Go ahead and get a pencil and paper so you can write these out with me. So go ahead and write the letters in, then put a box around them. Next to that, we're going to write the word viz, put a box around that, put a box around the I, and then bull. So this is how we would break up invisible. Invisible, and I know that has 4 syllables. Oh, the next word is going to be pizza, and I'm going to clap this one out and say pizza. I think it has 2 syllables, so I'll double check over here. Pizza does have 2 syllables. My sentence is, I like to eat pizza for lunch and dinner, and sometimes even breakfast. All right, so if we're going to write it out, pizza would look like this. Pizza, right? That's kind of funny, but this is our second syllable of pizza. So make sure you do P-I, put a box around it, and then za, and put a box around that. And we know pizza has 2 syllables. And now we're going to go on to marshmallow. I'm going to go ahead and stomp this one out with my feet. So I could say marshmallow. And I'm pretty sure I stomped 3 times. I could double check it on these dots up here. Marshmallow. All right. And now I'm going to use it in my sentence and say, I found a marshmallow on my camping trip. And if we're going to write marshmallow out, it's going to look like this. Marshmallow will look like this. We're going to break it into 3 syllables because we already found that out. So we're going to say marsh. Our next syllable is going to be ma. And our last syllable is going to be low. Marshmallow. And put the 3 on the side of there. And make sure you put boxes around each set of syllables. Up next, we have mountain. And I'm going to go ahead and tap mountain out on my chin. Mountain has 2. Let's double check it. Mountain. And I'm going to use it in my sentence. I like to climb up the mountain in my city. So if we're going to write mountain out in the syllable chunks, it's going to look like this. Mountain is going to look like this. Mound. And then we've got 10 over there. Mountain. So go ahead and write these 2 syllable chunks and put a box around each. And then over here, we're going to write out how many syllables it had. It had 2. Now what I want you to do is pause the video here and see if you can go through the rest of these words using the same format we did with somebody in your house. Good luck.